Hello, in front of me I've got POCO M5s. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer, and now on this phone you can use the POCO File Manager. And also you can use Files by Google. So firstly, let's enter File Manager, and as you can see right here from the homepage of this app, you've got access to your images, videos, documents, music, applications, Bluetooth and downloads, archives, and more. Also you can see recently downloaded files and camera on the homepage. If you go right here, you've got access to your internal storage with all the folders. If you go to menu, you've got access to Google Drive, connection to computer, transfer files, deep clean, favorites, private files, dark mode and settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.